Hey there, internet friends. So today I was doing one of everybody's favorite things, dealing with insurance. I was dealing with the insurance for my travel trailer, and it's not always an easy thing to do when you live in your RV full time like I do. So I figured I'd take a couple minutes today to talk about exactly how I do it and how it's worked for me. So I live in my RV full time in Colorado, and I need to get insurance there. And I want to say too that I'm not affiliated with any of the insurance companies that I'm going to talk about or anything like that. Nobody's giving me a kickback. I just want to share my experiences with finding insurance because they've been very different across different companies. But for starters, I needed an address, so I have my address in Colorado. And I was actually able to get an address through a UPS mailbox that I use, and they provide you with a real street address, real unit number, and everything like that you can use wherever you need to. So I actually also have that address on my driver's license that I have out of the state of Colorado. And, I checked their website and everything like that. Everything's fine in that respect. So I use that for my address on now my insurance policy. So now that I have an address, since I don't own any property or have an actual house anywhere, I can use that address on my insurance policy. And I've tried a number of different companies. I was originally insured with State Farm, and I had a really hard time even trying to get a policy for a travel trailer with them, especially as a full-timer. They actually told me that they couldn't insure me. So I ended up getting a policy with Nationwide last minute whenever I bought the travel trailer. And I really did not have the best experience with them. Just customer service wise, it was a little bit rough. It was even hard to pay my bills sometimes, things like that. So I was looking to jump ship, and I'd seen a lot of good reviews online about Progressive. So I tried Progressive, and they were pretty easy. I definitely liked them. They also let you insure your travel trailer as your primary residence, which is what a lot of people talk about as getting like full-timer insurance. Basically saying that you live in your travel trailer, and they're acknowledging that through their insurance policy. I'm sure it, adds a couple bucks to it. But, I want to be properly covered in my trailer should I, have any kind of accident, knock on wood. I definitely don't want to do anything like that. But if I would, I want to make sure that I'm properly covered. What state you're in makes a really big difference too. I know when I was originally insured in Pennsylvania, it was about half the price of what it is for me in Colorado now. Colorado has been incredibly expensive for pretty much everything. But hey, it's a happening place where a lot of people want to be. So things are expensive out here, I guess. I guess the further west you go, probably the more expensive it seems to get. But, I may consider eventually relocating to another state where I may be able to save money on a policy like this because, like I said, it was about double the price. And, there are a lot of other things that I've ended up paying for more here in the state of Colorado too. So which state you choose to domicile in or, have your residency in makes a big difference in price and a lot of things. So, but, I had my reasons I wanted to choose Colorado. I've been here for a while, I've been working here for a while, and it's worked out for me really well. So, those are just a couple thoughts that I wanted to share on my experiences with full-time RV insurance. Really, it hasn't been any different than insuring anything else. You're just insuring a travel trailer or an RV that you're either driving or pulling behind your truck. A lot of people do it just recreationally. The hardest part, I guess, is actually having the address to do it with. And the UPS mailbox has really worked for me. I know there are UPS stores all across the country, so you might be able to find one near you or wherever you want to claim residency and have your residency be. I know that the customer service there has been really great too. Shout out to my local UPS store. You guys are awesome. Maybe check out something like that and find the best way to insure your RV or travel trailer. Progressive certainly worked for me. Like I said, I'm not really affiliated with them anyway. I just wanted to share my experiences with you guys and what's worked for me after having done this full time for about a year and a half now. I bounced around to a couple different companies, tried a few things, and figured I'd chat about it today. Thanks for watching me blab on about insurance for a couple minutes. If you like that, then you'll definitely like some of the new things that I'm getting ready to post. In less than a week, I'm headed down to Arizona and I'm going to post about it pretty much every day. So make sure you subscribe and follow along because it's going to be a pretty sweet trip. I'm excited. Cheers, y'all. Have a great day.